guys, now welcome back to my page. In this video I'm just going to show you a little clip of how I use the wax. The first step is I opened up the beads. I added a little bit to the warmer and I turned it up to 240 to let it melt. This is the second phase of it melting. You can see there's still a little bit chunks left. I made the mistake of trying to stir it while it was still melting. So just let it all melt into one before you try to stir it. Right, put the cover on, make it a little faster. And this is step 3, the little final stage where it's all melted, kind of like the consistency of honey. It's a little thick, but at the same time it's a little loose. So this is the very first arm that I used. I didn't use enough wax, so I almost died when I was trying to put it off. I'm over here trying to get a little piece to start it off, to rip it off, but the pain to move that one little piece up was like so much. It was so annoying. So I finally got a little piece off and I rip it and I'm like, this is not for me, but I ended up just finally doing it. This is the first arm, the before, and this is the same arm, the after look. You can see it's still a little bit of pieces of hair there because I didn't use enough wax. Now you can see here in the second arm I used a lot more wax than I did the first time around. I wish I would have recorded it, but once again the pain was a little crazy. This is the after. This is how the wax look with the hair in it. And there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.